Hey guys, I am back to do another unboxing. Vampire Diaries Season 3. As you know, I have Season 4, um, 2, and 1. I was just missing 3. I'm also waiting for Season 5 to come out, so I decided I'm going to do an unboxing. As you can see, I already cut it on the side to make it a little bit easy to unbox. So, I'm going to remove this. That's supposed to give me, I think gives me $5 credit on Voodoo. So I'm just going to get that out of the camera frame. Alright. Almost dropped it. Okay, here we go. And as you can see on the bottom, it says only at Walmart. I bought it at Walmart while I had the chance because it was hard trying to find Season 3 for me. Anyways. Move that out the way now. I'm going to just move it up a little. There we go. And it comes with this, just a little paper over it that says Vampire Diaries Season 3, only at Walmart. Move that off to the side. And open it up. The cover. And then the case. You guys can see that. The booklet, which, if I can get out, I'll show. Yes. That way. And move it a little bit. That way. Also, I'll show off my complete, well, not complete series because it's still going and Season 5 hasn't come out yet, to my knowledge. Disc 1. Turn up the camera so you can see. DVD 1. DVD 2. DVD 3. 4. And 5. That's it. If you guys hold on, I will get that back in there. I'm going to grab my complete collection. Well, not complete collection, but let me see if I can get this in order. Yeah. I guess we'll start from Season 1 on down. Okay. Season 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, I got this one a little bit damaged, but it's alright. Made up to Season 4, and it looks like the spines are all the same where you go down, and you get what looks like to be a raven on the side. Go down a little bit more, and it just says basically all the same stuff on the side. Over the backs, they are completely different. Basically just Stefan, Damon, and Elena on each one on the back, which they seem to keep that in theme. Other than that, I would say I have all the seasons until season 5 comes out. Again, to my knowledge, I do not know if it's out or not. I know it's out for pre-order. Well, last time I checked, it was out for pre-order. And so I'll say I have all the seasons as of now. But there is more to come out, like season 5 and season 6 will be coming out. They did put it out on DVD.